Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day I am finally gonna show you guys my hutch. I have been wanting to do this video for so long, but I don't really know if I just hadn't found the decor that I wanted, or I don't know, I just wasn't proud of it. But I finally got my crap together and I figured out a theme that I kind of wanted to go with, and I got it done. Okay, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted this on April 23rd of last year. I posted this picture almost a year ago. I purchased this off of Facebook Marketplace. So I had been wanting a hutch for a while, and they just don't really make them like they used to. Like, I wanted something older. I wanted to be able to refinish it. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. This one came about, it was $100. I didn't love all the glass. Like, it had the mirror behind it, and it had glass all throughout the front and on the sides. And I didn't love that look of it, but because I wanted it to be more farmhouse, but I figured, you know what? I'm gonna get it and see what I can do with it. So I painted it rather quickly. As soon as we got it home, I sanded it. We took everything apart. All I painted it with was, we had like an off-white trim paint that we use here at the house, like for our baseboards and stuff. And so I used that because I knew I didn't want full-on white. I wanted like an off-white. So I used that, and it's definitely a flat cut paint. It's not shiny or anything at all. And then what I did with the hardware, I painted those with just a mixture between black and brown acrylic paint, and I just painted those so they look more black than anything. I love how it turns out. And then, okay, like I said, I didn't like the mirror part, so I was like, what could I do to cover the mirror? So actually, I painted, I'm gonna go ahead and just open it here and show you guys a little bit. So this part, these shelves right here, are actually glass. It's like those glass shelves, you know? And I painted them. I just painted them the same old color as that I painted on the other parts of it. And it's actually worked out really, really nicely. Obviously, like if you look at it from underneath, you can tell that it's painted, but from far away, you really can't tell. And then one of the most special parts of it is this back part right here, which was the mirror. So I found that it's just contact paper. And I found it at Walmart. It was kind of tedious trying to cut like the paper, you know, because that stuff's kind of hard to work with because it's sticky, and just trying to get it like really up close to the sides and make sure that it looked nice and neat. But overall, I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys some of the crafts that I made to put in here. I hope you guys like how it looks. Finally, I'm getting this video up. I'm so excited. For this first project, I'm going to take this ribbon that I found at Joann Fabrics. It was like 90% off, I want to say, because it's considered Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half, and I'm going to wrap it around this little tray that I made. And if you guys missed this DIY, I will link it up above and in the description box as well if you guys want to check it out. It was made using all Dollar Tree items. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this in half and then glue it to the outside of the tray. And for this next one, I found these little plants at IKEA for a couple bucks because they were in the Christmas section as well. And I cut the ribbon in half again, and then I'm just going to wrap it around the little plant just for a little added color with that buffalo print. And then for this next one, I'm taking this little saucer. I got two of them. I found them in the IKEA as is section for 20 cents. So I'm going to take these little saucers. I got a coffee cup from Dollar Tree, and then another little like teacup from IKEA, and a glass bowl from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just going to spray paint them all white and then write on them. And these were inspired by the Rae Dunn mugs that I've seen. So I'm just going to do a little Rae Dunn DIY with these. And for these, I'm just going to use this flat white spray paint that I have, and I'm just going to spray paint the bowl, the 2 saucers, and then the 2 cups. Even though some of the items are white, I just want them all to match, and this is, like I said, it's a flat, so it's not going to be shiny or anything, so I just wanted them all to match. And then once those are completely dry, I'm just going to go ahead and take a black permanent marker that I got at Dollar Tree. It's not a Sharpie, but it's just a black permanent marker. And I'm going to write tea on the teacup, coffee on the coffee cup, and then eat on the bowl. And I just went online and just kind of looked up the Rae Dunn font and just kind of copied it from just like looking at it, you know. I just wanted it to kind of match the font that is on all of those Rae Dunn mugs. So yeah, if you just Google it, there's like a bunch of different websites that have the fonts on there. Now I'm just going to kind of walk you guys through everything that is in my hutch. I apologize if I repeat anything I've already talked about, but I just kind of wanted to cover it all again. All right, so these little plates, these little black and white checkered plates, I found these at Michael's after Christmas time, so they were about 70 or 90% off. They were only like a couple bucks a piece. And this little windmill right here, this I actually found at Kohl's. It's a picture holder, but I'm just using it kind of as a little decoration. And then this little bike over here, this is also from Kohl's, and that's just like, I think that's a picture holder as well, but I just have it up as cute little decoration. And then these little doilies here, I got these at Dollar Tree. And then this little centerpiece here that I made, I have a video. I will link that up above for you guys if you guys want to check it out. But all I did was add this little ribbon to it. And the ribbon I got at Joann's. So yeah, I will show you guys how I made that little thing. I made it out of the little Jenga blocks here from Dollar Tree. So that was a fun little DIY that I did. And then I just have a couple pictures of the girls. These are their school pictures. And then these little guys I got, so the little saucers were actually from IKEA in the Last Chance or whatever area. They were 20 cents. And I got 2 of those. And then this coffee cup is from Dollar Tree. This little cup I think was from IKEA. And then I just painted everything. This little bowl was from the Dollar Tree as well. So I just painted everything white and then wrote it to kind of do the little Rae Dunn theme. And then down here on this shelf, that little welcome sign is from Dollar Tree. And I got these little plants. These are from IKEA. These were in like the holiday section, so they were only like, I think they were like $2 a piece. And I got 2 of those, and then I just put some of the ribbon on those as well. And then these little canisters I made, these are all from Dollar Tree, and I just made them look galvanized. And I did a video somewhere on that. I'll try to find that for you guys too. And then here's my little what the fork sign. It's one of my favorite little signs that I made. I have a video for that as well. I will try to find all these for you guys and link them for you. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks pretty. I love this hutch. It's got a lot of storage down there. I'm not going to open them because there's a lot of toys in there and you guys probably just don't want to see that. So, alright you guys, that is the finished product. I'm really super happy with how it turned out, and I can't believe that thing only cost $100, and I already had the paints. I think I spent $5 on the contact paper, so overall it was a very inexpensive makeover. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you all soon. Bye!